How to disable show previews notifications on Zangi. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can disable show previews notifications on Zangi, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to ensure that you have the Zangi application installed on your device. Once you have it installed, just go ahead and click on the app or launch the app. So after launching the app, you'll be brought to the apps page. On the app, you can see at the top part of the screen some icons which include the chat icon, the call icon, the people icon which stands as your friends tab, and then the settings icon. Once you can see this, just click on the settings icon. Now on the settings page, you can see your private number, you can see your name, you can see some things, and then the next thing to do is to go ahead and select the notifications option. After selecting the notification options, you will be brought to the notifications page. On this page, you can see notifications such as chat, groups, show previews. So that the show previews, just go to the toggle that has been turned on, click on it, and then turn it off automatically. And then once that's been turned off, your show previews feature would be disabled automatically. So that is it. This is how you can disable your show previews notifications on Zangi. Thanks for watching and have a good day.